Good evening to all of you. Welcome to KB IELTS. Today we are going to conduct the mock test of Gurdeep. Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready for mock test,
Yeah.
Gurdeep?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Okay. First, I am going to start with your introduction. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Um, may I know your full name?
My full name is Gurdeep Singh, and you can call me with my first name Gurdeep.
Okay. And how may I address you?
You can call me with my first name Gurdeep.
Okay. And where do you come from?
Uh, I hail from Ahmedpur, which is a small village in the Mansa district of Punjab, and it is in the northern part of India.
Okay. Do you work or study?
I am currently working. I am working as a mathematics teacher in a school.
Hmm. Okay. And what work do you do?
I am, as I already mentioned, I am working as a school teacher
Hmm. Okay.
where I am teaching mathematics.
Okay. And why did you choose to do that type of work?
Uh, because because I like to educating others,
Hmm.
and why I choose mathematics as teaching is because I find mathematics as an interesting subject.
Hmm. Okay. And is it very interesting?
Yes, mathematics is very interesting for me, and my job is
Hmm.
also very interesting because uh,
Hmm.
because because I learn something new every day.
Okay. And do you miss being a student?
Yes, I think everyone miss being a student uh, because there were lot of memories connected with the as our uh, childhood.
Hmm. Okay. Now I'm going to ask the part one questions, introductory questions. And the topic is stages of life.
Okay.
Do you enjoy your current stage of life?
Yes, I am enjoying my current stage of life. I am 26 years old now,
Hmm.
and mm, and yeah, it is. I am enjoying it.
Okay. And in what stage of your life were you the happiest?
Mm, I think our childhood was the happiest days. My childhood was the happiest days of my life because there were no stress
Mhm.
or worries.
Mhm. Mhm.
Uh, However, as I grow old, now I have to think about my future, my career. So I think childhood was the best stage of my life.
Okay. Which stage of your life do you think is the most important?
I think every stage of life is important because in our childhood w- we uh, we learn a lot of things, and the journey of learning continue till our death. So I think every stage of life is important.
Okay. And what's your plan for your next stage of life?
Well, my future plans are to go abroad for my higher studies, and after completing my study, I'm looking for to start my own business. And yes, that's are my future plans.
Okay. I'm going to change the topic. Next is topic is taking rest.
Okay.
How often do you take a rest?
Well, I take rest from my work whenever it is necessary. For example, after studying 2 or 3 hours, I will take rest in between my study, and even whenever I'm doing work, as I already mentioned in my teaching job,
Mm.
uh, then I take rest after doing some work.
Okay.
Yes.
And what do you usually do when you are resting?
Well, during my rest, I usually take a nap, or sometime I enjoy listening to music
Mm.
or watching some relaxing videos like comedy videos on YouTube.
Okay. And do you take a nap when you are resting?
Yes, as I already mentioned,
Mm.
I take nap sometimes if it is possible
Mm.
for resting.
Okay. And how do you feel after taking a nap?
After taking a nap, it is very relax. It feels very relaxed,
Mm.
and it acts like a stress buster for me also.
Mm.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now we are moving to the part two, that is a cue card. Okay.
Okay.
And your cue card is mentioned on the screen, that is displayed.
Okay.
Okay. And you can take 1 minute for preparation. Cue card is clear to you?
Yes.
Hmm. And your time starts now for preparation.
Okay.
Okay, your time up.
Okay.
You can start your cue card.
Uh, well, I rarely make promise to someone because I think promise are easy to say but hard to kept,
Mhm.
and I do not believe I do not believe in not fulfilling the promises. And today I would like to talk about a situation when
Mhm.
I made a promise which was to my friend, and I kept my promise. Uh,
Mhm.
I think it was in our college days,
Mhm.
mm, when our exams were coming,
Mhm.
and one of my friend came to me to help him in studies.
Mhm.
So I was good in studies, and I
Mhm.
make a promise to him that I will help him in his studies.
Mhm.
So we decided to meet at our house in the evening. But then I realized that on that day I have to do some another work. But as I but as I made promise to my friend,
Mhm.
so I decided to keep my promise and postponed my work. And when he came to my house, I helped him in his studies, And I kept my
Okay,
promise.
your time up.
Okay.
Okay, I'm moving to the follow-up questions, part 3.
Okay.
Generally, do Indian parents make promises to children?
Yes, Indian parents make promises to children. For example, uh, for example, they said to children that if they will get good grades in exams, then they will buy them something special like bicycle, bike, or anything. And sometimes some parents keep their promises. However, sometimes parents do not keep the promise.
Okay. Do children also make promise to their parents?
Yes, children make promises to their parents like they will not create mess in the room and they will keep their room organized and they will study. They will make balance between a study and games.
Okay. And do most people fulfill their promises?
Well, it depends upon person to person. I think some people keep their promises. However, sometimes people make promises but do not fulfill them.
Okay. And how do you feel when others break their promises?
I think breaking promises is not very good thing and it is not appreciable. Uh, I also feel very disappointed when someone make promises but do not fulfill them.
Okay. And do you generally make promises to others?
Uh, well, I generally do not make promises because promises are difficult to fulfill. But if I make a promise to someone, I try my best to fulfill my promises.
Okay. Okay, Gurdeep, your mock test is done.
Okay.
Okay. Now we will discuss some errors. Okay. Now, and I can give you some tips how you can improve your speaking. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Um, जब फर्स्ट में आपने बोला when the question was about your work, um, why did you choose to do that type of work? ठीक है.
Yes.
Then you told I educating. ठीक है. Educating उसमें teach word use करो. ठीक है. I
Okay.
like to teach this subject because math is my forte. You can say in this, because math subject is my forte. So I love to teach this subject to others. Okay? And
Okay.
I enjoy to teach this subject. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
और एक जगह आपने बोला था I am. ठीक है. I am वो proper बोला था. उसको try करो I am बोलने की. ठीक है. I am. ठीक है. Okay. And child,
कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस यूज कर सकते हैं.
yes, in speaking you can. Okay. In writing you can't. Can't,
Okay.
don't use these types of words. Okay. In
Okay.
speaking.
Okay.
और क्वेश्चन था करंट स्टेजेस ऑफ लाइफ के बारे में. ठीक है. तो
हाँ जी.
चाइल्ड डेज वहां पे आपने बोला था, जहाँ पे क्वेश्चन था in what stage of your life were you the happiest? Okay. First of all, you could
Okay.
start with this sentence. As we all know, childhood is the golden period of our life. ठीक है, by this you can start this answer. Okay, and child days बोला था आपने, वहां पे child days नहीं, childhood period बोलो. ठीक है, वहां पे आपको
Okay.
childhood period बोलना है. Okay.
Okay,
Child
ma'am.
days नहीं बोलना, that is a period. Childhood is a period, not a days. Childhood days नहीं होता, childhood period बोलना है. Okay.
Okay.
और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में जहाँ पे आपने बोला था, एक प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी आपकी गलत थी, कैरियर नहीं बोलते उसको, करियर बोलते हैं. ठीक है, वहां पे प्रोनाउंसिएशन आपकी गलत थी. वेयर यू सेड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड माय फॉर माय करियर.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
ओके, एंड क्वेश्चन थे, हाउ डू यू टेक अ रेस्ट. आपका जो है ना वो रिपीट हो जाता है जब आप पहले ही क्वेश्चन में बोल देते हो कि मैंने, अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में था व्हाट डू यू यूजुअली डू व्हेन यू आर रेस्टिंग. ठीक है, आपने पहले ही आंसर में बोल दिया था. ठीक है, लाइक यू सेड व्हाट आई डू व्हेन आई डू रेस्ट. ठीक है, देन यू हैव टू रिपीट द आंसर. ठीक है, try to give the limited answer in first question, that you don't have to repeat the answer. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
In 3 or 4 places you have to repeat the answer. Okay, so
Okay, ma'am.
so try to give the appropriate but limited answer. Okay, like in question, what do you usually do when you are resting, you said I take a nap. Okay, so try,
Okay, ma'am.
try to avoid this, like I do all those activities which give me relaxation. Okay, like some my favorite activities, like some my hobbies. Okay, then you need not to repeat. When the question is do you take a nap, then you can say yes, I take a nap for few minutes. Okay, because that is necessary while resting, I think, for me especially. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And the next question was, how do you feel after taking a nap? In that answer, you could use some vocabulary words like rejuvenate. Okay? When I take a nap, I feel rejuvenate, enthusiastic. After taking nap, I feel enthusiastic to do my further works. Okay? So
Okay, ma'am.
these vocabulary word also you can use.
Okay.
Cue card. In cue card, first of all, there was so much pauses in cue card. Okay? There were so much pauses, so many. After every sentence, even in between sentence also, you took so many pauses. Okay? And
Yes,
the idea
Mary.
was not so much relevant about promise. Okay? That was like a help. Okay? Your friend came and he asked for the help. Okay? That is like a help, not a promise. Okay? If you want to say this type of, then you said, you should say, I made a promise to my friend. One more thing, you used keep word for the promise. Don't use keep word. Okay? Use make or made. Make in present and made in past. Made is a second form of make. Okay? Make
Okay, ma'am.
promise or made promise. ठीक है, तो उसमें
Okay.
आप यूज करो कि मैंने प्रॉमिस किया, I made promise, not it looked like just a decision, oh sorry, help. Okay?
Okay.
हेल्प की तरह नहीं लगना चाहिए, ये प्रॉमिस की तरह लगना चाहिए. लाइक उसको कोई आपको he was weak in study or he was needed in that time, then you made promise, I will help you in study and you can do well in your exams, because exams were coming and he was not able to he was not able to attempt the exams. Okay, and I tried to fulfill my promise. I helped a lot in the study. Okay?
Okay.
So make the form of promise, not a help. Okay?
Okay.
You made a promise to help. ठीक है, सो इस तरह से इसको मोल्ड करो थोड़ा सा. आइडिया इज गुड, ठीक है, बट यू हैव टू
Okay.
मोल्ड इट in the form of promise, not in the form of help. Okay? because the cue card is about the promise. So we have to highlight the promise. Okay.
हाँ जी समझ गया मैंने.
And follow-up questions में भी आपकी यही है थोड़ा सा, एक तो you need to elaborate the answers. Okay.
Okay.
And ideas were good, but you need to elaborate the answers. Okay. The last question was, how do you feel when others break their promises? That in that question you can say, I get irritated. ठीक है, इसमें आपने क्या सलाह दी, ठीक है, should में, ठीक है.
हाँ
you
जी.
have to tell your reaction. What is your reaction when others break their promises? ठीक है, so you can say I get irritated, or you can use even one idiom also, I get freak out. ठीक है, whenever others break their promises, especially who break their promises intentionally, habitually. ठीक है, then I get freak out. If there is any genuine reason, then or there is any unfavorable condition, then I can understand their problem. Okay.
Okay ma'am.
So you need to make complex sentences, you need improvement in the grammar also. Okay, you need to add the connectors also. Okay, and a good start of the answers. Okay, and relevant answers. Okay.
Okay.
Is everything clear to you? So these
Yeah.
improvements you need. Some grammatical errors were there. Okay.
Okay.
And some pronunciation, and you need to improve the ideas also in cue card also especially, and you need to improve your fluency, because there were so many pauses in especially cue card. Okay.
Okay.
So these
and
improvements you need.
How much
You
band
can,
will I get?
Sorry, today I can give you only 5.5. Okay. But
Okay.
you can improve with proper guidance. Just you need guidance, how to frame the answers, you need to improve your ideas, etc.
Okay.
So you can improve your bands by proper guidance. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to ask anything, you can ask.
नो बस मेरी फ्रीक्वेंसी का ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम है, मतलब वो नहीं इंप्रूव हो रही.
For you need practice. Okay.
Okay.
For fluency you need practice, and for other also errors you need improvement. Okay.
Okay.
You
Okay,
can
ma'am.
just you can this. Okay.
Okay.
Any other question, any other query?
No, thank you.
Okay. If other students also want to come for free mock test, they are most welcome. And for individual paid speaking classes also, they can contact on the displayed number on the screen. And they can share the link of the videos and all the details on WhatsApp. Even they can contact for writing and reading classes also. Okay. Okay, Gurdeep?
Okay, ma'am.
All good? Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yes. Thank you. Bye-bye.